Oh yeah, I see it raining, bro. Yes. What's he got? It's got insurance, though.
Oh, it's uninsured. I didn't mean to drop that through there. I was hoping to drop onto that rock.
I mean, it's gonna drop regardless.
I was hoping to go onto that rock, though.
Hey man, fuck your
Really good.
insurance.
Yeah, just pick it up and give it back to me. I'd be awful weight of you.
Motherfucker just dropped on the ground like, fuck my insurance. I don't want it. Yeah, I got you. I'll bring it back. Fucker's hilarious.
Maybe, as you said, yes, Alta 4, I won't lose my...
No, I lost everything.
Fuck!
But, you should have waited to the PK. The PK.
I threw it.
Yeah, you threw it on the ground. I needed to give it back to you. You avoided your insurance by throwing it on the ground. Thanks for the PK. Motherfucker.
I'm confused. What?
Yeah, that's the one thing that'll void out your insurance. Your Kmart's insurance if you throw it on the ground. It literally says it.
Oh.
So I was gonna pick it up, bring it up to you, drop it, and you pick it up. But